while there were heavy gusty winds, the storm that had engulfed Mumbai with a heavy rain. This incident took place all across the region of the Mumbai metropolitan and in the central suburbs of Mumbai. Right here behind me at Ghatkopar, a huge hoarding has collapsed. In fact, because of the collapse of this huge hoarding, there are at least more than 50 people who are expected to be trapped inside. The official number on this is not available yet, but you can see police have been deployed. There are ambulances as well as fire brigade vehicles which have been deployed right here. In fact, we try and understand from the local MLA, Parag Shah. Sir, what is the situation right now inside? How many people are expected to be trapped inside? What's the condition?
See, because of the heavy rain, the many scooter people have come below the shade of the petrol pump. So no one knows actual figure. Till now around 10 to 15 people had moved to Rajawadi hospital. Still people are below that. We are trying to remove them. But it looks like the way the situation is there, it must be more than 100 people are there.
And so what is the emergency response that has been done as of now for this very situation?
Now, see, the fire brigade has come, ambulance has come, police department is doing a good job. I have also asked from my resources all the Poklan and JCB and cutter machines and all. But how the cutter machine will activate, that also we'll have to think, because we'll have to take the permission from fire brigade because of the petrol pump and the gas line over there. So it should not create the further accident. So we are taking the guidance of fire brigade, but we are trying to do that.
That was Parag Shah with us, but I'll show you visuals. In fact, I spoke to one of the person who was a victim inside. He said that there were more than 50 bikes who were trapped inside. There were more than 10 four-wheelers and three trucks which were there. You can see right now relief work is on. Several people have been removed, have been evacuated from this location, taken to the nearby Rajawadi hospital. But what needs to be seen is that the number is not clear yet. BMC has called it this an incident. Now this in fact comes in as there was scaffolding also which fell at Wadala. Right from 3 o'clock onwards, Mumbai had witnessed really heavy winds, following which, because of heavy rains, was where this very hoarding collapsed. Right next to it, you can see a huge hoarding as well. The hoarding is of similar size, and this very hoarding is also known to be weak, which is why people are being kept away, and people are being asked to stay away from this very spot. In fact, the traffic that you see on this route has been stopped. This is the area on the Eastern Express Highway. This is adjoining the service road on the Eastern Express Highway. For a very long time, the traffic had also been stopped on this very location. But right now, the main road traffic on Eastern Express Highway has been cleared, and the traffic on the service road has been stopped. You can actually see there's still water logging at some locations very close to this petrol pump. This tragedy comes in as people had not really expected, though IMD had predicted a yellow alert in and around Mumbai, in Mumbai metropolitan region, also in Raigad and Thane region. But with the heavy gusty winds, the wind speed was anywhere close to 50 to 40 kilometers per hour, which is where this incident took place. Right now, because the hoarding right behind me is also weak, people are being asked to stay away from it. In fact, right now standing here, you can actually sense the foul smell of gas, and because the petrol pump, it is a sensitive area, and police are trying their level best to ensure that there is no crowd. That is the crowd that is gathered right here. This in fact comes in even as Mumbai was sweltering in heat just a couple of days back. Until yesterday, the temperature in Mumbai was anywhere close to 33 to 34 degree Celsius. But right now the temperature is anywhere close to 33 to 34. But this was a pre-monsoon shower that Mumbai had expected, though it was just for a couple of just for half an hour to an hour. However, amidst the heavy rain was where we've seen this tragedy unfolding in Mumbai. But we'll have to wait out because those who are being evacuated, they are being taken to Rajawadi hospital. We'll have to wait out to watch as to what the figure or the toll really comes out from this very location, considering the fact that the local MLA has expected there are more than at least 100 people who are trapped inside even now.